Hey guys, this is Eric with Aspired Trading. It's August 20th. So we're just going over a couple of charts. So we're on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. We're on a 1 hour chart. Price just broke out of this flat pattern. So we're going to be looking for a retest, which we look like we're about to get. We got this breakout. And we got price retreating back. Just touched the 200-day moving average. So we're going to look for loading opportunities here. We got about 32 minutes before the next candle is formed. But we do know we want to take this trade up to this price point. This is about 32 pips. So this is market structure. If we look left, so we want to trade it here. I was able to get 2 positions down here, and I took profit as it got to this point. So I'm going to look to reload to get back in. Maybe take a bigger lot size to take it up to this price point. All right, so that's something to look into. Now, we could get a little deeper correction. We may come back into this region. This would be very ideal as well. At least give us another opportunity to load up to go higher. All right, so anyway, what we want to do is we want to look, basically, we're going to be patient, and we're going to just wait for price to come back down in to this zone for us to look for buying opportunities to go long, okay? Now, is there some other targets that we can look at? Possibly so. So let's take the extension tool, all right, and let's take it up here. Let's bring it back down. Okay, so what we have, at least with the bottom extension, is falling right here at structure, and then we have the secondary target is here at this point. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and we can mark the top portion of the extension. Okay, we got that. Now, we could possibly see the opportunity for UCAD to maybe do a total trend reversal, and we may go into an uptrend, all right, to the upside. So, but let's check some stuff out, see where we at overall. Let's see. Okay, so this top extension comes back up to the 61% retracement zone right here. So that's pretty good. It's decent. So what we could see is, like I said, we got this moves up, down, boom, come back down here. That's what we could see. And this is healthy, all right? And possibly back here and then up. What we want to see is a high, lower high, higher high, another low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, boom. That's what we want to see transpire with this pair. So this is giving us a great opportunity, okay? But like I said, we want to see price come back down in this area. All right, so let's go to, let's see. Let's see. Let's go to the daily. So I got the daily. See what's going on. Okay, yeah. So we got some good news on a daily. All right, so this is exactly what we want to see on a daily. What we want to see on this daily, okay, is we want to see. Let me move some of this stuff off the chart. That'll be better. All right, here we go. That looks much better. We want to see price eliminate this red candle, which it has. That's not a good drawing. Let's just do this. All right, you see this red candle right here? We'll do a trend line. All right, for this trend line, this is resistance. Price pushed down, came back up. All right, price is back here. It broke this, so we look to eliminate this candle. So this candle did, but we want to look for a retest back to this area. So on a daily, it doesn't look like much, but this retest is important. All right, we got 7 hours before the next candle. What we want to see is this next candle push on up here to this region up here. Okay, so this could be, we want to see something similar to this right here. See this pattern? That's what we want to see. Got a red candle, green, and then this green eliminates this red. All right, then we go up to market structure. Just because we're on a daily chart, it doesn't look like much, but it is. As soon as we take the trade on the break, this is 72 pips, so that's not bad. All right, so that's what we're looking for, and it looks like we're still getting a little pullback, so that's good. Let's see. Yep, see this pullback coming back down to this zone. So we need to start looking for some possible scaling in little by little. All right, so that's what we want to see. See, price breaks resistance, come back and retest. We want to be retest traders, so we start to look. All right, now gotta be mindful. Price still can come back down to this area, but at least you can scale in at different price points if you need to. And let's go over to the US dollar, Japanese yen. All right, so similar. We need to what? We need to break this level up here. All right, price rejected right here. All right, and then okay. So we're in a channel. We need to break, get to the upside. These are the market structure areas on the chart that price can go to. Here we go. Yep. So this is what we're looking for, multiple targets. We can do extension. Got the confluence right in that area, so that's good. So that's what we're looking for. All right. So we need to actually see what price does within this range. I like that it came back and visit what area of what? It used to be resistance. It broke, that's support. Price came right back down to it. So that's perfect. All right, so this is good as well too. Let's do let's see something. All right, now we want to look at British pound, US dollar. So on the British pound, US dollar. Okay, so because the US dollar is on the right side of this pair, what we're going to do is we're going to look for selling opportunities, and we have some great stuff setting up right here. So let's look at this region right here. Boom. All right, let's go a little large. So what you see on here is what? We got a what? Break. All right. Price broke, came down, retest. This has been a great area for somebody to enter short. All right. So this is a great setup. High price came back to the zone. All right. And then we look to take this short. Okay. We can measure here to here, bring it back. Boom. So we can look for this. We can look for price to possibly come back into this area. And that's what we're looking for. All right. Price coming here down here. Price is currently right here, so we don't know what it's going to do, but to this, at least this zone, that's 76 something pips. So that's not bad as well. All right, so we're going to just do this. Boom. All right. There we go. All right, so see how that plays out. Okay. That's the British pound, US dollar. Okay, let's do, which is US Euro USD. All right, here we go. Got a flag, bear flag pattern. Prices already come back into this region. Why? Look left, remember? So if we keep doing this, guys, you'll see we're retest traders. Stick with it rule. You'll see it. Price broke out. Don't chase. Don't chase. Price came back to what? Area reset. Market structure. Came back in. We want to push to the downside where we have our targets. We can measure. You don't have to measure all the time, or you can just look left on the chart. All right, here we go. So we're looking for price to come back down into this area. All right. So here we go. Boom, boom. Take this out. Now, that's what it looked like. Okay. And if you look left, look at this all the way to here. So that's the first target. If we break this region, then we're going down to this. All right. So that's that. All right. If you don't like those types of targets, you can measure the flagpole of this bear flag, and you just put it like that. And see, this will be your target area. So you can do that as well if you decide. All right, so I want to make this video short and stuff. So there's a couple of plays that possibly could happen. All right, have a great one.